to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aik. Today I am sharing how to create this mermaid hairstyle and my secrets for adding volume and texture to my naturally fine and thin hair. I have a few tips and tricks and hair care and styling products that are must have for achieving more volume, because who doesn't want that added oomph? Hopefully this will help you to recreate this summery beachy look. Before we get started, a bit of background on my hair and my hair care routine. It's true what they say, you always want what you don't have. Growing up, I always wished I had bouncy, wavy, full, luscious hair. I have learned to embrace my naturally fine hair as I've experimented with different styles and hair care routines over the years. What has worked for me, and this might be slightly controversial, is actually dyeing my hair every 6 to 8 months. I've had light brown or ombre blonde for as long as I can remember. I find that having my hair coloured and essentially slightly damaged adds natural texture to my hair and makes it much easier to style. Definitely ask your hairstylist for advice before taking the plunge, but this is what's worked for me and I don't plan on going back to my natural hair colour anytime soon. I also wash my hair only 2 to 3 times a week and avoid overwashing it, as I find that it creates more oil on my scalp and weighs down my hair. First, I like to start with clean hair. This is so my hairstyle can last for days and days. I am loving the Mermaid Hair styling shampoo and conditioner at the moment. The shampoo provides just the right amount of lather, and the conditioner is surprisingly super nourishing. It has a clean soapy scent. It kind of smells like you've just stepped out of a hair salon, and how adorable are the bottles. I am such a sucker for cute packaging. Again, I'll probably only wash my hair once or twice a week. Next, I'll add a bit of moisture back into the end of my hair using the Jisu honey infused hair oil. This is a lightweight oil and doesn't leave my hair feeling heavy. I take 4 or 5 drops, or about a pea-sized amount, and then I warm it up in my hands and then run it through the ends of my hair with my fingers. I find that this soaks up quite quickly, so it doesn't leave my hair feeling oily, but nice and moisturized and ready to style. I also really love the subtle sweet honey scent. Then I'll add a heat protectant. I am currently using the Mermaid Hair Primer. As you can see, I've been trying out a lot of their products and I'm really enjoying it so far. Again, how sweet is the pink and purple packaging. I'll spray the product, concentrating on the ends of my hair, and then comb it through to make sure it's evenly distributed and protects my hair from any excess heat. Heat protectant is definitely a must-have if you're looking to grow your hair longer and try and keep it as strong as possible. Next, I'll add the Jisu Texturizing Wave Spray. This is a must-have for adding volume and texture to my hair. It also helps to hold the style in place for days, which means I only have to style my hair 2 to 3 times a week. This is my 3rd bottle. I absolutely love it. But you can add any sea salt or texturizing spray. It just needs to add that little grit so your hair doesn't feel too clean. I'll then section my hair with clips. First sectioning off the top half and then leaving the bottom. To create the waves, I'm using the Mermaid Hair 32mm Pro Waver in pink, of course. In this case, the bigger the barrel, the better, as it gives that more bouncy look. The styling tool comes with a glove. I recommend using the glove the first few times as it does take a bit of practice. Next, grab small sections of the hair from the back and place the waver at the base of the hair, clamping down for about 5 to 7 seconds. How long will depend on the thickness of your hair. Again, my hair's pretty thin, so I don't need to leave the heat on for too long. Then I'll release the clamp and glide it down, and repeat the steps again until I work my way to the end of the hair. And then I'll do the exact same on the other side, working in sections from the back to the front. Once I'm done with the bottom section, I'll move to the top section and repeat the process again. I'll then go back and touch up any final sections, particularly around the crown of my hair where I want to add even more volume. To finish off the style, my holy grail product is the Bumble and Bumble Preta powder. This thing is magic fairy dust for fine hair. It's a dry shampoo, a style extender, and an invisible volumizer. I sprinkle a touch of this into the roots of my hair and it stays voluminous for days without needing any extra touch-ups. I will then massage the powder into my hair to distribute the product evenly and make sure that you can't see any of the white powder residue. This powder is a must-have if you're looking to create texture around the crown of your hair. Finally, I lock everything in place with the Way Texturizing Hairspray. This is an amazing multi-product. It's half dry shampoo and half hairspray. What I love most is that it holds my hairstyle in place without feeling crunchy or sticky. It is super lightweight and smells like fresh laundry. Another must-have product, I have this in a full size and the mini travel size. Let me know in the comments below what are some of your holy grail and must-have hair care and styling products. And voila, this is the final mermaid hairstyle look and a perfect way to add texture and volume to very fine and thin hair. What do you think? I'm heading off to Bali soon and this is going to be a perfect casual summery beachy look. Another final tip from me is to leave the lip gloss until last because nothing's worse than trying to style your hair and having your hair stick to your lip gloss. I hope you found this helpful if you're looking to create the mermaid hairstyle and especially if you want to add that oomph to your hair. Please let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more hair and beauty videos on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a fabulous day no matter where you are and I can't wait to see you very soon.